Furnace change out going today. I've been here several times fixing this. Looks like first time was 2013. It's for a landlord I've worked for forever. Lives right by me in Woodbury. Who lets their filter get like that? There's no excuse for that. That's ridiculous. I don't know what's leaking in here, but we gotta figure it out. Looks like that filter boot's messed up. So we're just gonna change it. The problem here was we had a plugged little 1/2 inch drain line. That should be 3/4 inch by code. That thing is backed up, leaking across this floor for God knows how long. Corey's getting his coil pitched right now. We are going to just run one new 3/4 inch drain line from the air and tie the furnace into it and go around to the floor drain. And that shouldn't happen to our new furnace, hopefully, but this is a rental, so we're increasing the filter to a 20 inch instead of a 16, so when they neglect it like that, we won't end up with a situation. It's the old boot, just disgusting. Furnace was just totally destroyed because of a plugged drain line. You gotta clean your drain lines if they're small like that. If they're, 3/4, you probably won't have to clean them, but you still gotta look at them to make sure this doesn't happen. Got this all installed here. Drain on the intake. I was on one yesterday morning. She was selling her house. It was just pouring water down into the burner compartment. You gotta put those drains on those intakes. Some houses do that and some don't. It's just crazy how much water comes in those in air conditioning season.